So we're waking up very strongly, and they're saying to me, "Sir, the Trump Supreme Court has, they're saying this, remade our great country." I said we're going to make America great again, and guess what? It's getting a lot greater. And today, the Supreme Court protected prayer. We allow a football coach at a public school to walk out very proudly at the end of a game and not do it in a room or a church or a corner of the field. No, you go out to the 50-yard line and you do a prayer. And you're not pressuring anybody. You know, you're the coach, and if the kids want to join you in strong prayer, that's great. But the left never come. Remember when Terrell Owens, very showy African-American wide receiver, the left loved it when he was in Dallas Stadium, which my friend Jerry Jones owns. And he ran out there and he put the football right in the star, right at midfield. And there were no Supreme Court cases saying, oh, we need to ban Terrell Owens from being disrespectful at midfield. No, they said we respect that. But then when a big, strong coach with prayerful tears in his eyes, he called me and he said, sir, and he's a big guy, but he was so upset because he's such a strong Christian. And he said, sir, I just want to go out to the field, and I want to pray for the other high school team to get lots of injuries so that we win the game. Just a strong Christian prayer. And I said, you go do that. You go do that, and I will protect you so strongly. And now we have a beautiful Supreme Court where you can have more guns, no abortion, and strong prayer. By getting rid of Roe v. Wade, we're going to have more kids in school, okay? And that means people attacking schools will have more targets. And you know what we have to do then? More guns, okay? And not only guns, more prayer. See, the left would have kids, you'd say, you may not pray, and if somebody attacks your school, you're not allowed to pray. It's a school. We're the left. But now, when our extra kids from getting rid of, and extra poor kids, by the way, so they'll need public school. When these poor kids are stuffed into public school classrooms and being attacked by our strong Second Amendment people, they'll be able to sit there and do unlimited prayers. The left wouldn't have allowed them to pray, but they'll be able to pray and say, please let this stop. And maybe even some of the kids and teachers will have guns. So now they're going to have prayer and guns. And that's a beautiful thing. So you're welcome, school children, all the extra ones, all the poor ones crowded into public schools, who may now pray if they're under attack, which the left wouldn't let you do. And your coaches can pray too. How about that? That's so much. I never pray. I'm too successful to pray. But as a strong Christian who's never been to church, I say it's like a all you can eat, but for prayer. And then also, maybe you can bring in guns too in your lunchbox. You bring in your lunchbox and you say, look at me, I'm praying and I have a gun. Bring it. So we've made America great again. It's a beautiful thing. And I look forward to seeing all the strong things that these great decisions will bring about. So you're welcome, and we'll see what happens.